Now that we've done the warm-up, let's look at our learning intention. So it is, can I remember everything we've learnt this year? So I can answer different questions. So we're going to be looking at lots of different ways that a question may be asked, even though it's only looking at things that we've learnt about, whether it be addition, subtraction or place value. They may be asked differently, so it might get you to have to sort of think about, well, what is this question asking me to do, and the strategies that I need to solve it. So the numbers we need to think about, the values of the numbers. Please put the tens and the ones above the numbers. It will really help, especially when it's things such as counting on in tens from 14, because you'll look at the tens and think, right, I've got 1 10, I'm adding 2 10s, so I'll just add 2 10s, so 14 it would be 34. Okay? Read the question carefully. What is it asking you to do? How do you think you're going to solve that question? Can you check this using something else? And most importantly as well, use the numbers in front of you, or use the pictures in front of you to help. They're not there just for decoration. They are there to help you work things out. So you've got a sort of visual of, for example, there might be money, so there might be coins in front of you. Use those to help you. That is what they are there for.